Hello students, today we are going to see about the divisibility rule of the 11. So when you look into the divisibility rule of the 11 here, it is the difference between the sum of the alternative digits that should be either 0 or 11, it should be there. So I will write down here if the difference between the sum of the alternative digits, it's very important. So let me explain you with an example. That will be very much helpful to you understand better on the statement what I am providing here. The difference between the sum of the alternative digits is either 0 or 11. So now let's take an example to make you very clear about it. So now I'm going to take an example here 7, 6, 4, 3, 9. I'm going to check whether this whole number is divisible by 11 or not. I'm going to check. So now what do you mean by the alternative digits? See, I'm going to pick here 7. What is the alternative? 4 and 9. Okay. Then if I am taking here 6 and 3, these two are alternative. So now try to add up the alternative digits. That is the sum of the alternative digits. First you add it up. Okay. That is 7 plus 4 plus 9. Then next, what else you have it here? 6 and 3. Then add those two numbers also. That is the very first step you're going to do here. When I add it here, I'll be getting 7 plus 4 plus 9. I'll be getting here 20. So when I'm adding here 6 plus 3, I'll get. Then next, what is they have given you the statement? The difference. The difference between the sum of the alternative. We found out the sum of the alternative digits. We are going to find out the difference between them. So when you want to find out the difference between them, when I'm taking the difference 20 minus 9, which is 11, the difference what I told you here, it should be either 0 or 11, any one of the condition. 0 or 11, the 11 means in this 11 it will be including the multiples of 11 also can be included. So multiples of 11 means what? 11, 22, 33, any such numbers you can get. 0 or multiples of 11. So I'm getting here 0 as my difference. So I can come to the conclusion that 76,439 is divisible by 11. Now let's see another example to make you very much clear on this particular concept. So now I have taken an example here, 54,326 is divisible by 11 or not. So now the similar way I'm going to take out the alternative digits. Alternative digits means what? 5, here 3 and the 6. I will be adding up here. That is 5 plus 3 plus 6. Then next try to add up the next numbers, that is 4 and you have 2, they are alternative. So 4 plus 2. Here I'll be getting here 6. Then when I add it on the above all the three numbers 5 plus 3 plus 6, I'll be getting here 14. So now I'm going to find out their difference. If I find out their difference is 8. So 8 is not present in 11 table. It's not multiples of 11. So therefore it is not divisible. So now you understood the meaning what we have done. I have taken a not divisible sum also. So now let's see the another problem to make you very much clear on this concept. Let's take the another problem here. So next when you take up the another problem, I'm going to take 32,450. So now try to choose the alternative number. Okay, I'm going to take the alternative number that is for 3, 4 and 0. I'll be taking here. So 3 plus 4 plus 0. Then the remaining numbers. What you have the remaining numbers here? 2 and 4. That is 2 and 5. I'm sorry. 2 and 5 which are alternative. So when I add, I'll get here 7 and the here if I type this is also 7. If I am finding the difference is 0. So according to my definition, the difference should be either 0 or multiple of 11. I'm getting a 0. So now I can come to the conclusion that this is divisible. Yes, it is divisible by 11. So now let's see one more example to make you very much clear on the concept here. So now I'm going to choose a number here, 96,184. I'm going to choose out here. So when you choose it here, try to pick up the alternative. See, So you may think I'm using different colors in examination, how I can do it. You can just draw the arrows like this. Alternatively, when you draw it, it will be very easier for you to do it here. So 9 plus 1 plus 4, you will be getting here 14. Then 6 plus 8, 14. 5, I'm finding the difference is 0. Therefore, this is also divisible. I can make a conclusion. So now let's take another example here. So when I'm taking example here, 7514. So now try to pick up the alternative number. What is the alternative number? I'm going to pick it up here. 7, 1. Only these two are alternative numbers. 5 and 4 are only these two are the alternative numbers. I'm going to add up those alternative numbers. That is 7 plus 1, I'll be getting here 8. Then 5 plus 1, sorry, 5 plus 4, I'll be getting here 9. You may think, how can I find out the difference? In that case, when you want to find out the difference, you will be doing here 9 minus 8. You will be getting here 1. The resultant is 1 here. It's not either 0 or multiples of 11. Therefore, I will tell this is not divisible. That is very, very simple. Suppose when you take the second set of numbers is higher, make it to write it in the beginning, then you make your subtraction, then you will be able to do your calculation. So hope you understood in this 5 example how we have done. Try to take more and more examples, then only you will be able to understand. So let me finally give you a last example now here in the question number 6 here. Let me take a very big example here. 648204. So now pick the alternative numbers I am picking up here. So when you pick up the alternative numbers, that is 6 plus 8 plus 0, you will be getting here 14. In the bottom I have 4 plus 0, sorry, 4 plus 2 plus 0. I'll be getting here, yeah, that is 4 plus 2 plus 4. I'm sorry, students. I'll come again once again. So alternative, that is 6, 8 and 4. I have to write it. I'm really sorry for your inconvenience. So I'll write it again here. That is 6 plus 8 plus 0. I will be writing. Then 4 plus 2 plus 4 I will be writing. When you add it, I'll get here 14. Therefore 6 plus 4, which is 10. If I'm subtracting, I'll be getting here 4. So now when I take the difference is 4, it is not either 0 or multiples of 11. Therefore I can come to the conclusion that this number is not divisible by 11. So hope you understood. Make sure you take the numbers alternative 6, 8 and 4. Here 4, 2 and 4. Understood? 6, 8 and 0. That's very important. 6 plus 8 plus 0. I'm getting here 14. Then 4 plus 2 plus 4. I'll be getting here 10. Then find out your difference to make it here. Whenever you write it, don't miscalculate. Otherwise, you can take your pencil and you can box it up, whatever you have the alternative, right? So when you box it up, you will be able to have a very good clear understanding what you're writing alternatively. The other ones, what you can do, you can either put a bar on the top or bar on the bottom, so that you will be able to understand what are the alternative digits you are going to pick it up and write it. So this will be very, very helpful in your examination, so that you won't do all those miscalculation. So keep solving more and more problems. I will meet you in the next video. Bye students, take care.